Don't text him. Bless you. Don't text him. No. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, I just sneezed like 6 times in a row. Oh no. Oh my god, I've never sneezed that many times in a row. Am I okay? Are we okay? Okay. What's going on with us? Something in the air? I feel okay. You okay? Okay. Oh, I can't shake this feeling. It's like a constant feeling that I have to sneeze. Woo! That was dramatic. Okay.